In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Authenticator recovery email. First, here's the key idea that trips people up. You don't actually change a recovery email inside the Microsoft Authenticator app. That email lives in your Microsoft account security info, and the app simply reflects whatever is set there. So we'll make the update in your account, and the change will carry over to Authenticator. Start by heading to the Microsoft security page at https://account.microsoft.com/security. This is the central place where your sign-in methods and verification options live. Once you're on that page, look for the option labeled Manage How I Sign In. This opens the area where Microsoft lists your sign-in preferences and the ways you can verify your identity. Under the section called Ways to Prove Who You Are, choose Add a new way to sign in or verify. When the options appear, select Email. This is where you'll add the new recovery email you want to use going forward. Type in the new email address carefully to avoid typos. It needs to be an inbox you can access right away. Microsoft will send a verification code to the address you just entered. Open that email, find the code, and return to the security page to enter it. If you don't see the message within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder and make sure you're looking at the correct inbox. Entering the code confirms you own that address. Once you complete that step, the new email is added to your account security info. With the new email in place, you can remove the old one. In the same list of verification methods, locate the old recovery email and click Remove. This prevents the old address from being used to confirm changes or receive security alerts, and it helps keep your account info tidy and up to date. Make sure your new email is verified before removing the old one so you always have a working way to prove it's you. A quick but important note: if you no longer have access to the old email, Microsoft may apply a security delay of up to 30 days before fully committing the change. This waiting period protects your account in case someone tries to hijack your recovery options. It can feel inconvenient, but it's there to keep your information safe. That's it. By updating your email at the Microsoft security page, you've effectively changed the recovery email that Microsoft Authenticator relies on without touching the app itself.